Hello viewers, welcome to Nature and Entertainment on TBRC. My name is Felicia Chinyere Iberi, and with me on today's program is Mr. Fashola Babajide Emmanuel. Welcome to today's program. Yes, today we shall be talking on the topic, the rules of engagement in between would-be couples. And you know, today in Nigeria we have a lot of young hearts who are out there that have issues on how to handle their relationship and how to go about it. And a lot of them have engaged themselves in this relationship aspect and at the end find it so bad. So we really want to talk more on how to go about this, and we are going to be throwing more lights on rules on how to go about it. So today we are going to share our views with Mr. Fashola Babajide. And so, sir, we want to know what would be the first rule to consider in taking this measure?
Yeah, actually, when we're talking about this relationship, it is in stages. And I think the foundational stage of the rules in relationship is friendship.
Friendship. Okay, so friendship, as we all know, is actually a very wild topic to be discussed, and it's actually under this particular rule of engagement between would-be couples. So, sir, we also want to know, in friendship, is it really very okay if you propose some of these views? Because when you say friendship, what do you think would be the first rule to propose?
Yeah, if you want to consider friendship, you have to look at, that's what we call healthy relationship or unhealthy relationship. Yeah. Healthy relationship or unhealthy relationship.
So when you say healthy relationship, how do you really mean by healthy relationship?
Okay, healthy relationship is the kind of relationship that religious terms to be godly relationship. Then if I'm talking about unhealthy relationship, I'm talking about ungodly relationship. Yeah.
So fine. On a healthy relationship, we sometimes have kind of confuse this aspect of, okay, in a healthy relationship, you actually want to fix in dating. Do you think dating can be necessary in a healthy relationship?
Yeah, if you look at a religious perspective, let me say, when we are talking about healthy relationship, a religious perspective, they see dating to be a sinful kind of relationship. But rather, I'm going to say this is very good because it's a foundational part or a step before you get to courtship. Before you get to courtship, and when you are dating, that's when you can be able to know if the person you want to have a relationship with is having the similar vision with you. So it's through the dating that I can be able to know if I can go further ahead to have courtship together with my spouse.
Okay, we made mention of courtship.
Yeah.
Is there any difference between courtship and dating?
Actually, there is a difference between courtship and relationship. You see, what we're talking about, courtship. Okay, you said any difference between courtship and what?
And dating.
And dating, yeah. There's a difference between courtship and dating. You see, dating is without anybody's consent. It's just both parties together. It's both party things. But what I'm talking about courtship is it involves consent of the parents. It involves consent of the religious leaders. This is the person wants to get married to. Mommy, help me pray. Or at times, even your mother will ask you some question that, okay, this guy that you have been chatting with, that you have been discussing with, you want to see this guy. So can you invite him and let us see that guy? So that was an aspect of courtship. I'm just trying to bring a case study of that.
Because the reason why I ask is because a lot of persons kind of confuse dating and courtship, because a lot of Nigerians are, because we already have numbers of numerous happenings of people who start up relationships.
Like I said, that dating is out of consent.
Out of consent. So okay, it's out of consent, fine, as you said. But at one point, I'm not trying to say that a lot of persons still confuse that word courtship and dating in their own view. They feel for the fact that I'm actually dating this person, something that's a necessity that is going to lead to marriage. And then when they try to merge the whole thing together, then it's resulting something which they will not really expect. And then you said it's dating itself is without consent.
Yes, without consent.
Getting to know.
Yeah.
And no, at this particular point, before it leads to courtship, a lot of persons will still want to make a lot of the ongoing aspects to it.
Exactly.
You understand? And they confuse it. So I don't know, is there a way you can really throw more light on that aspect of dating? Because courtship itself, it's actually, as you said, it's a known aspect where it's where people can really see that you're into a relationship. So I want you to throw more light on the dating, because the dating aspect is what the present day Nigerians are really talking about, find themselves but find so difficult to understand, especially in relationship. So I want you to throw more light on the aspect of dating, because people confuse the godly and the ungodly part of it. So if there's a way you can throw more light on it, so we can hear you.
To me, dating is the kind of relationship that is not realistic. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? There's no, you can be in a relationship. When it comes to dating, dating can actually lead to out of vision. There's no vision in dating. That this girl, I'm just seeing this girl for the first time, and I like the girl because she's beautiful, and this can be as a result of lust, infatuation, and so on. And this does not really mean that it's going to lead to courtship or it's going to lead to marriage. Anything can happen at that point of dating. Yeah.
Okay, so we just have to get it very, very clear that dating itself is just it's a two-way thing. It's either you're getting it right or you're not getting it right. So you just have to pin your expectation to what is expected of you in a godly relationship. You don't have to flaunt it. So fine, and you talked about the courtship aspect. Does it really mean every courtship should lead to marriage?
Every courtship can lead to marriage. At times you may have a relation with the guy and also get married to him. And at the end, anything can just happen on the way. Yeah, and a lot of things can happen. Maybe in terms of attitude from both spouse. Are you getting?
Yes.
Maybe before meeting you for the first time.
Yeah.
I may not really know your attitude. But during courtship, I can able to know your attitude if I can be able to adapt. If I cannot adapt, there's no way you can actually get married.
Fine. I want to throw more light on the aspects of honesty, because a lot of persons have this issue with, especially insecurity aspects. Insecurity aspect, because a lot of persons see that, okay, fine, I'm already cutting, people already know that I am actually engaged with this person, or I'm actually with this person, and the insecurity aspect, I don't know, because this is the major aspect Nigerians or some individuals really pass through, and they still see that, okay, fine, we've just gotten to the peak of it where we cannot go back. So that's why I asked if does courtship actually leads to marriage. But in this particular stage, what can you really say? Because for me, I felt insecurity should be part of what might not allow courtship to lead to marriage. So I don't know if you can throw more light on it.
Insecurity to me. Okay, let me take it by this way. If you are in courtship as a man and as a woman, you have to be faithful to your spouse. But the insecurity there is maybe I'm courting. Okay, let me make an example of you. I'm having a relationship with you, and I saw somebody that maybe I actually like the attitude of that person so much. Are you getting it? I'm not really getting what I actually need from you, or I'm getting it from somebody outside. It can lead me to change my mind towards you. Okay. That's the insecurity aspect of it. Okay. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's the insecurity aspect.
So you actually talking about
you can be distracted.
Attitude from either both partners. Okay. So we want to know your advice to big couples out there. You made mention of attitude. So that a lot of them are out there listening. So they want to know what can really help out at a particular stage, which can eventually lead to marriage. So what's your advice to would-be couples out there?
Okay, my advice for the would-be couples is one, they must be able to build trust trust together. And if you are into courtship and you believe that this is your spouse and want to get married to, both of you must have determination. Determination, you must be able to adapt to each other, you must be able to tolerate each other. Because in the absence of tolerance, I'm sorry to say, in the honest relationship to marriage.
Yeah.
So what we should do as good couples is work on ourselves in terms of attitude. We must be able to understand each other better and better.
Thank you very much, Mr. Babajide.
You're welcome.
And we now come to the close of today's topic on engagement, rules of engagement on the big couple. Please don't go anywhere. You can join us on the same station, same time next week. Thank you.